Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again to 77 Mowers. So you go to pull on your bale handle on your lawnmower, the handle goes all the way back and you hear a pop or a poing kind of noise, and this is what you get. Cable comes out of the conduit and now your lawnmower doesn't start. You're panicking, it's not that bad. Quick, easy repair coming for you. Hey everybody, welcome back. So every lawnmower, most of your snow blowers, they have this little cable and they'll have that little end on it. It's called an S hook or S end, or some people call them Z's, whatever it is you want to call them. I call them S hooks. I believe that's the majority. Where you're going to find these little guys, I'm just going to turn this the other way actually, is on your bale handle. On your bale handle, and they'll go inside this little hook right here, and you just stick it in, put it in as far as it'll go, and then pull it back, and that hooks it on. And then to get it out, you just do pull on it and it pulls it right out. The other end, this specific one actually has a throttle control right here, so there's a bolt here I got to deal with, which isn't a big deal. And then on the other end of this cable, you're gonna find down here, what you do is there's little plastic clips. You push these little plastic clips in, slide the cable back, and then pull the other end of the S hook up and out. And then install is actually easy. I've actually got the new cable half installed right now. So you put the new S cable down, pull it back, slide the cable back, and then push those little plastic clips in through the little hole right here. Slide it in, make sure it clicks. And then, I'll just toss that away. On this side, you've got the other end of your cable. Give you a better angle. On this side, you got the other end of your cable. Can't really see there. In all the way, and then pull it back, and then it's locked in. Now I got to pull this bolt out. You see there's like a little bracket here that holds the cable as well. I'll pull that out and get that all set up, and then tighten down that bolt, and it's good to go. So I just wanted this to be a quick video to show how to basically change the engine brake cable for the bale handle, and then down on the brake actually on the engine. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below, and then don't forget to click like on this video and hit subscribe for future videos. Have a great day.